Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Display Settings. Right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings so you can change resolution and scaling. Once done, identify which monitor is primary if you have more than one, because changes apply per display. Make sure to note the current resolution and scale values before you change anything. That lets you return quickly if the new size looks wrong. This step prepares you for safe adjustments and avoids confusion when numbers change on screen. You now change the actual size. Select a resolution from the resolution dropdown, preferably the monitor's native resolution for best clarity. Lower values make everything larger, but blur may increase. Then adjust scale if you want bigger text and icons without reducing resolution. Try 125% or 150% and see which balances sharpness and readability. After choosing options, click Apply so Windows previews the change. If it looks wrong, use the Revert button within the prompt to go back immediately. Finish by confirming the settings and testing typical apps, videos, and multiple windows to ensure nothing is clipped. If expected resolutions are missing or changes cause flicker, update your graphics driver from Device Manager or the vendor's app because drivers control available modes. If the display goes blank after applying settings, wait 15 seconds to allow automatic rollback. If it does not recover, reboot into safe mode to restore the previous resolution. That single troubleshooting step fixes most failed changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.